Think hiccups are annoying after a few minutes? Imagine having them for 68 years. Stay tuned to discover the unbelievable story of Charles Osborne. Hiccups are not just an occasional annoyance, they can last a very long time. Charles Osborne holds the record for the longest bout of hiccups, enduring them for an astonishing 68 years without stopping. This extreme case underscores the incredible resilience of the human body, which can continue to function even under such unusual circumstances. And that's how Charles Osborne hiccuped his way into history. Can you believe it? If you're amazed by the resilience of the human body, hit like, share this with someone who needs to hear this incredible story, and follow for more mind-blowing facts.